Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have lived, I'm here again with Robbie, and we're gonna talk about, he's gonna share with us 5 things that he truly loves about our beautiful island Jamaica.
Yes.
Starting from number 5. 5 being,
The lowest?
I wouldn't say the lowest, but you're saying that there's a number one. Let's just say there's a
There's
number one,
thing
and
that I
so
love, right.
it's 5. So he's giving us the fifth one. What is the fifth thing?
So the number 5 thing that I love about Jamaica is the vegetation.
The vegetation.
The vegetation.
The greenery.
Oh my goodness. We have the opportunity to drive through Island Bamboo. When I was coming from Montego Bay once, I drove through Island Bamboo, and then how many times have you been through Island Bamboo since you've been visiting back to Jamaica?
I think maybe.
I think it's 2 or 3 times.
I've been to it 3 times, I believe.
Yes.
Because some of the, I think 2 of our trips coming in
From Montego Bay,
and
right? We have to go through it. So yes, but we have taken a trip through Island Bamboo just to do a vlog a year ago, I think. But just driving through Jamaica in general and see the greenery, the beautiful scenery and the greenery of Jamaica, it just takes your breath away every day. It's not like here in America where we have summer and then you have winter where everything dies down and everything's so dry and deserted looking. And so in Jamaica it's always green and lush and beautiful. So my 5 things that I like about Jamaica is the vegetation, the greenery and the beautiful scenery driving through Jamaica.
Okay, and your number 4?
My number 4 things that I love about Jamaica is the dialect?
Okay, so the dialect. Now,
Yes.
Jamaica, and I'm going to say this clear, because everybody have this stigma to think that Jamaicans, we don't speak, there's a patois. It's a dialect. Jamaicans speak English. We were coming up under the British colony, so we speak English. But there's a dialect,
Yes.
patois, that every Jamaican is known by that.
Right.
The kids in the school system, they always say, oh, Miss Robinson, say something Jamaican. And I'm like, I'm talking Jamaican. Am I not talking Jamaican?
So,
but it's funny.
To be honest with you, patois to me is comical. It's funny. It's every time I heard it, I have to laugh because especially when certain folks speaking.
Yeah.
Cause there are certain guys we're doing some business there, and one of the guys that works for us, he is incredibly funny when he's speaking Jamaican. When he's speaking patois. Not Jamaican. When he's speaking patois, he is extremely funny. His patois is off the train.
What one thing that you remember what he said?
I don't know. But I'm telling you, just listen to him talking Jamaican. It doesn't really sound patois. It don't even sound like how the regular, like how you'd speak. He's all out there. It's really depth into it.
So
it's funny.
If I'm gonna say now, okay, I'm gonna discipline my child. When I said, okay, how tell me in Jamaican.
He would say, never beat him, Yeah, I heard. Right. So he go all out, and to me, for some reason, to me, it's even the curse words. The curse words in Jamaica in patois to me is just funny. It doesn't. I don't believe it's really a curse word. It doesn't sound like a curse word to me. And there are some of them that really, out there. But even the word that they're thinking,
when they say it,
it's funny.
When they say it, it's funny because
yes.
you know that my sister lived by that. That's just who she is, and there's no difference. Who she is. But some is the way that they say it.
It's the way that it's
the
spoke.
way that they say
the way it's spoke. Yes.
Yes, it makes it really funny.
Really funny.
And people are drawn to it because of that.
It blows and skirts.
We're gonna show you a clip of Funny Francis and the way that he go through Europe, and his channel is all about how do you speak Jamaican.
Now you're asking people
just to speak Jamaican.
One of the things that he said.
One of the things that he always says, "Wagwan." So we're gonna show you a clip of that. How funny Francis go through Europe and really trying to
promote. I would say promote
Jamaican patois.
Jamaican patois, and I want you to translate it back in the Queen English, yeah? How you know in a sense, Rasta?
No, dear.
You might have heard that before. How you know in a sense, Rasta?
Are you not in your right sense?
Oh!
Yeah, it's funny. So that's my number 4 thing is the dialect, the patois.
The dialect.
Yes.
So what is your number 3?
My number 3 things in Jamaica is the beach, rivers, lakes. Every turn you make in Jamaica, there's a beautiful beach. There's always a beautiful river to go to, a beautiful water hole somewhere to jump off in. It's always something to get you going. You never walk through Jamaica and just bored, unless you want to be bored. There's always a beautiful beach. And the thing about it, the beaches and lakes and river in Jamaica is extremely clear, clean, beautiful.
Yeah.
The water,
even the spring.
The water is not polluted. It's the best that I ever seen.
All right, I hear you. What's your second?
My number 2 things I love about Jamaica is the food.
Well, I cannot deny that too. I think Jamaica has the best. The one place that I think come pretty close. Which one do you think I would put next to Jamaica? Mexico. That's it. Jamaican and Mexican food. Yeah.
We talk about Mexico a lot because we visit Mexico a lot, and Mexico is extremely beautiful country.
But their food, like
their
they have
food,
a variety of the way that they prepare
the
meal,
food. Yes,
it's just awesome, and everything is great. You can't find anything that you can truly say I don't care for that. It's awesome. They are the only country that
comes close
to Jamaica.
Jamaican.
You talk about that curry goat, you talk about oxtail, and even our national dish, which is my favorite.
Yes.
Ackee and saltfish.
I'm sorry to say that, but that's not my favorite food.
That's my favorite. I would eat ackee and saltfish with rice and peas. I would eat it with white rice. I would eat it with banana. It just fits in everything for me.
That's not, for some reason, I really don't have a favorite Jamaican food.
You love them all.
Yes, I don't have a favorite Jamaican food. A lot of folks like. One of the things that I really enjoy, food-wise in Jamaica, I love fried breadfruit.
I like that too.
I love fried breadfruit, not the cooked ones at all. Fried breadfruit. I love fried breadfruit, and I love fried saltfish. Saltfish and breadfruit, it's just awesome. So, but Jamaican food on the whole is extremely, it's wonderful. So. This is my number 2 things that I love most about Jamaica is the food. It's nonetheless.
So, what is your number 1?
My number 1 thing. I'm going to give a drum roll. My number 1 thing that I love most about Jamaica, and I want to say this before I want to comment on this before I even tell you what. There is not another country, culture, race, religion that ever, in any case at all, come close to this. The number 1 thing that I love about Jamaica is the music. Let me tell you this.
It has the vibe.
Jamaican music have the beat, baby. It got the vibe. It got the sound.
It doesn't matter. If it's a gospel music.
Anything.
If it's anywhere you flip it, I'm telling you that Jamaican music.
Jamaican music, that reggae music is the best that I ever heard. I've never heard anything come close to Jamaican music. One of the things that I like, over here we have rock.
Which is originated
from Jamaica. I believe so. Mm-hmm. So it's very similar. But rock over here, you have to write out the thing, you have to make sure you know, it's a whole lot of, writing and learning. You could give a mic to someone in Jamaica and they pick up that mic without no blueprint in front of them, no words, no language in them, and
they just make it up as you go
a whole song.
A whole song, yeah.
And it sounds good.
Mm-hmm.
I play music. And I'm telling you this, we have to go to rehearsal, we got to do all that stuff just to make sure that we're in sync with the singers. Give Jamaica a guitar or a drum or anything. You go ahead and get a mic, they follow you, they're right on point, they never messed up. You don't have to have anything on paper. Give them a mic, give them some music.
You know what?
The sounds of Jamaica, let me just say this again. Because I went to not Treasure Beach. We went to Little Ochi when my grandparents passed away. We bring our grandparents to Jamaica, and she passed away. And when we were walking through Treasure Beach, not Treasure Beach, what am I calling Treasure Beach? Through Little Ochi, every store or shop that we went by, there's a music. And the thing about it, there's shops that's so close to each other, and everybody's playing their own music.
And it's distinct.
And it's just,
you can hear them.
it is extremely beautiful. The music, the sound, the beat, that vibe that it gives you, you don't want to come back home. You want to stay there because the music, I'm telling you, it gets to your soul. Mm-hmm. The music in Jamaica.
I feel you.
You feel me?
Yes, I feel you.
The music in Jamaica get to you. I can't lament enough about this. But Jamaican music is awesome. It's beautiful. You take it to a place where you just.
You know what, dear? I know this. And this is it. Just as though they crave Jamaican food, they crave the dialect, and they also crave the movie, because it doesn't matter where. When we go to the Bahamas, in their entertainment, everywhere they always have to plug in
some Jamaican.
They integrate and Michael Jackson.
Yes.
Always. They had to integrate Jamaica. It's like you cannot have an entertainment without something from Jamaica.
Some reggae.
And something of Michael Jackson.
Every country that we travel to, there is their entertainment department have something to do with Jamaican reggae.
Yes, Jamaican.
Or Michael Jackson dancing or something.
Yes.
You cannot come across anything that. I love the Spanish culture. I love their sound. I love the beat. But Jamaica music is above all. Mm-hmm. I mean, thumbs up to Jamaicans. They are the best. Jamaican, we are the best. The music is awesome. And to those artists over there, I was listening to Shaggy the other day, and he's awesome. All these Jamaican musicians and these artists out there, even the young one that's coming up. One of the things I want to say before we get off this thing, I'm going to encourage those of you who are young in the music industry, those of you who are coming up, young Jamaican artists that's coming up, try to keep this thing positive.
Yeah.
I mean, keep this thing clean. You don't have to talk about killing anyone and shooting everyone and slaughtering anyone to get somewhere. Keep this thing clean. Keep it good. We want to hear music.
Keep the history of Jamaica going, because which one of the songs I was listening to that the other day, and it just take me to another level. I said I like the one that what's her name? She sang it. I was singing the other day. I was serenading you the other day.
Serenading me.
I was serenading you.
I don't remember no serenading.
What's the song? And I told her that's my jam. I didn't say that.
I don't know. Your father singing?
Not that one.
Oh, I remember. I don't remember the song. I don't know exactly what you're talking about. I forgot the song. You probably get it.
Okay, so that's your 5.
That's my 5 things that I love most about Jamaica. I hope that's you can relate to it somehow. I'm trusting you, like you guys must can relate to even more than too, because everyone you must can read a couple of these, because number one is the food and the music. Most of the things that we spoke about here about Jamaica, it's right on, and I know most folks really have the same concept of what we're talking about beautiful Jamaica and the music and the culture. It's awesome. Those are the 5 things we want.
Thanks for watching, as always.
And if you're not a part of our family, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscription button now if you can. Also, give this